Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, the author of Te Reo Singalong books. This is the other Christmas book in our series. We've got a Christmas countdown and this more traditional nativity version. Kua tai mai te pō means the night has arrived. It's a very simple, beautiful song, really, really lovely song, I'm sure you'll enjoy it, about all the different elements arriving. Kua tai mai te anahera, all the way through to kararehe. Are you telling me to stop?
Sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought I'd do a big I'm being inventive, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. We'll keep recording from the top because we can use this recording.
Start again?
No, you start again, but I'll keep recording.
Oh yeah, okay, so I'll start again, okay.
Going for...
Sorry.
It's alright, my bad.
I was really, really confused.
No, my bad, I'm sorry.
No
December
worries.
2021 video recording in 3, 2, 1, action.
Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books. This is one of our Christmas books and it's a traditional nativity version of the Christmas story. Kua tai mai te pō, the night has arrived. I'm really proud of this one because I really love the simplicity of it. Kua tai mai te pō is the sentence structure going throughout as different things arrive. Kua tai mai te whetū, and then the angel arrives. And the animals arrive and all the different elements arrive. And then at the end, why have they all arrived in this place? Because the baby has arrived. It's a beautiful one, it's a beautiful song, and I'm sure that you will enjoy this one and be able to think of lots of interesting ways to use it with children. Ka kite.